I took the picture like this.
Yeah, nope.
At the end, I was like, oh no.
Don't do it.
I'll just crop that part.
It's my guys up like
Yeah.
loosey-goosey.
Nice shorts.
Twinning.
Twinning. All right. Hi, everyone. Welcome to another edition of the whiteboard questions. I don't know if we call it whiteboard Wednesday.
You can call it Wednesday. It's the day of the week. Happens
All
sometimes.
right, whiteboard Wednesday.
We're recording this on Wednesday.
Yeah. You may not be viewing it on a Wednesday, but that's okay.
Yeah. So 10 questions, all in the lens of mentally tough things versus physically tough things.
Right.
And would you rather?
Yeah, would you rather do this one or this one? This one or this one?
I haven't seen the questions, so brand new for me.
I wrote them all on the whiteboard, so I have seen them, but I haven't really given them much thought.
Go. First question.
Okay, first question. Would you rather endure a CIA interrogation or get lost in the woods for a day without any supplies?
Lost in the woods.
Yeah, same.
Easy.
For sure.
With the CIA interrogation, even if there was nothing that I did wrong, I probably could be convinced by the end that there was something that I did wrong.
Yeah.
And I just need to get out.
Absolutely same. But also, I wouldn't really want to put myself in the position to know what potential mental or otherwise tactics they would use to get me, to interrogate me.
That could become physical harm.
I just don't want to do
Guantanamo
that.
Bay.
Right, exactly. You don't really know. You don't know because you don't know people in the CIA.
Also, a day in the woods, lost. It sounds like childhood, but it also sounds fun.
Sounds like solitude.
Yeah.
Just be on the lookout for predators.
Predators.
And a day, hey.
Question 2.
Question number 2. Would you rather decipher a serial killer's diary or wrestle a bear for survival?
Decipher a serial killer's diary.
Same. I'm way less likely to die.
I guess there is going to be a mental component to that.
Yeah.
That you're trying to figure out someone's psychotic brain. And then if you're a method detective and you have to become a psycho yourself to figure it out.
A method detective?
Yeah. It's like an actor, but
Yeah.
it's a detective. To put yourself in the shoes, and then that's your superpower as a detective.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dang.
Like if someone was like Grand Theft Auto, and all they did was reckless endangerment with a vehicle, but then you had to embody someone who had the need for speed. Yeah.
And do the crimes yourself.
Yeah.
To really get an idea.
Exactly.
Dang.
Yep.
If only Deb would have done that.
So not a bear, unless it's a cuddly bear,
Yeah.
like a baby panda bear.
Is it clawless? Is it declawed?
Declawed bears.
It could be.
Poor bear.
Yeah. That would be really not kind.
Right.
But I would definitely read the diary as well.
Yep.
Mentally, that would be hard, but I would die against a bear.
Yeah.
There's no way. There's no way.
You wouldn't even want to hurt
Unless
the
the
bear.
bear was like, unless we connected on an empathetic level and it realized that I absolutely loved it, and then, okay, I gotta stop.
Is this brother bear?
Yeah.
You're gonna start crying.
It's Winnie the Pooh.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Jeez.
Yeah. And then it just left me alone.
There you go.
So, okay. So, which is not probably realistic.
Next question.
Okay, next question. Would you rather read through detailed autopsy reports or spend a night in a haunted house alone? Autopsy reports. For me.
Alone?
Haunted house is a no.
Yeah, okay. No, autopsy reports, I suppose.
I,
Just thinking about the visualization and being able to have to remember and see all those things. But I guess that's just what it is. And then a haunted house, unless it's like a poltergeist and they're out for blood. And then I'm going to be part of the autopsy report
yeah,
because that poltergeist was out for vengeance.
right.
Unrested soul.
Yeah. I mean, I just
bloodless
think
demon.
that I could take my time reading the reports, but like, if I'm going to get scared by a ghost, that's on its terms.
Yeah.
That's on the ghost. And that will just stay with me for forever. So I've had enough nightmares in my life
Dang.
related to demons and ghosts and stuff. So I'm just gonna take a pass on that one.
Next question.
Next question. Okay, would you rather argue with a flat earther for hours or run a marathon in the desert?
I'd rather run a marathon in the desert.
I'm thinking,
It's just an opportunity for solitude.
right, new experience.
Yeah, yeah, right.
Yeah, that's fair. I mean, for me, I guess it would be a new experience to
Yeah.
run in the desert. I mean, given the right supplies and everything, I would definitely rather run in the desert because that would be way more peaceful. It would be hard, but, you know, gotta protect this peace.
Yeah. Being someone who has voluntarily done an ultra marathon,
Right.
I have not voluntarily talked to an idiot.
Boom. Next question. Yeah, I just.
Next question!
That would be a really difficult.
Sorry, the
thing.
volume check. Next question.
Okay. Would you rather navigate the labyrinth tax laws of multiple countries, which I looked up what that means, and it's basically like crazy tax laws that are confusing and really difficult and contradictory and like all these different things. I think, correct me if I'm wrong, but they sounded really complicated and like, you know, basically the same as this one. Or escape a locked room with no windows.
Escape a locked room with no windows. I mean, it sounds like a metaphor for the labyrinth.
Yeah, right.
Tax
That's what I
laws
was
thing.
thinking too.
Yeah.
It's like basically the same thing.
I'll do the literal. Ankles.
I might go for the tax laws. Might learn something new. I'm gonna go with the tax laws.
Yeah, okay.
But or I would just get really frustrated.
Absolutely.
But I would probably get. I don't know about the escape room.
This
With no
coming from the
windows.
person who doesn't even want to call IT support because she doesn't want to be on the phone for more than 10 minutes trying to figure something out.
Who's that?
Yeah, okay.
Dang, calling me out. Yeah, I don't know.
It can be your answer, it just doesn't mean it's the right one.
But a locked room with no windows sounds. Maybe it's a wooden door and I can just kick it down.
Maybe. Yeah. There you go.
Anyway, all right.
Next question! Sorry about the sound, that was loud.
Okay, debate conspiracy theories with someone, and I didn't write this down on the question, but ChatGPT said someone who thinks that they are correct.
Debate somebody who thinks they're correct about what?
Conspiracy theories.
Ah.
Or swim across in an alligator-infested lake. I'd go for the theories.
Alligator-infested lake. Yeah, theories, for sure.
I just, you can just kind of brush it off. I'd rather run a marathon than, I mean,
You're not gonna, well, you could die, I guess, running the marathon, but
Right.
chances of dying from an alligator
yeah, that's true.
gripping you,
Yeah.
twirling you,
That sounds
submerging you,
way more terrifying.
drowning you. You know how alligators
they
do? No, not even then. If you're in the water,
Yeah.
they just take you down to the surface
Right.
until you stop moving.
Yeah.
Or underneath the
And they
surface of the
spin
ground. No, if you're on the land. But if you're in water,
Oh.
they just take you down and they drown you. So you'd be drowned to death by an alligator.
Right.
You're like, see you later, alligator. No, no, you won't. No, you won't.
Dang.
Siri thought I was talking.
After a while, crocodile. All right. We're going for the debates.
Debates.
Okay. Would you rather spend hours debriefing war veterans or run on a treadmill surrounded by zombies? War veterans. Don't do zombies either.
Are the zombies running on treadmills with me?
I'm not sure. It wasn't part of the question. It was
Running on
just, you're
treadmill.
surrounded by zombies on a treadmill. So you're basically inevitably going to become a zombie because you're stuck running on a treadmill. And so then you're inevitably going to become a zombie as well because they're going to be able to get to you.
And what's the first one?
Spend hours debriefing war veterans.
Debriefing war veterans. Yeah, for sure. Can do that, yeah.
Okay. Next question. Lead a therapy session for deeply disturbed individuals or climb a mountain while being chased by a Yeti. I'll do the therapy session.
Yes, therapy. Yeti, you know, are they real? Are they not? Is it Bigfoot? Is
In
it
this
Bob the
scenario, they're
Snowman?
real. Is it a bear?
Is the Yeti a giant white bear?
Yeah.
Is the Yeti some new artificial intelligence that Yeti Coolers has come up with that is a cooler that follows you? And then you can always have your
got
beverages
legs.
warm and ready to go. I mean, Austin,
Yeah.
Texas is right
The,
there.
the
Austin's
cooler that
right there.
carries itself.
Yeah, I think that'd be all right. I would, I'd go through the Yetis, see what's up.
You'd go for the Yetis?
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah,
Good luck.
thank you.
You're welcome. All right, last question.
Last question.
Would you rather solve a complex murder mystery with many suspects or carry a boulder up a hill only to watch it roll back down?
That's sus, all those sus. Well, I pick up things and then put them down.
Yeah, but you've like accomplished the task and then it
Point A to point B.
undoes itself,
The task was to get it up to the top of the hill and then watch it go back down.
I guess.
Have you ever watched things just roll down a hill?
Yeah, it's fun.
So fulfilling.
Have you ever rolled yourself down a hill?
No, motion sickness. I
Oh.
can't do it.
Sorry.
Maybe once,
It's fun.
twice. Throw up. White sands, National
Yeah.
Monument, giant sand dunes.
Yeah.
But no, I don't want to. What was it? Debate?
Solve a complex murder mystery
That's-
with many suspects.
I don't want to talk to people. Just kidding. Not that introverted. Anyways, yes. So the hill, the
Human
boulder,
being.
the
You'll
boulder.
take the boulder?
Boulder up the hill.
I don't know what I would pick.
Good.
I mean,
Good. Good.
it might be kind of fun to try to solve a complex
Good.
murder mystery, but it also might be fun to watch a boulder roll downhill, like you're saying. So, and see what happens to the boulder.
Whatever.
It flies off like other rocks and.
What if it was like a serial killer of goldfish, and yours was the last goldfish to get murdered? So now you're emotionally invested in the.
Well, then I can't
Goldfish
work
murders.
the case.
You could.
I can't.
You're pro bono. You're just doing it. You're a vigilante.
I'm a vigilante. Just like
Goldfish,
Daredevil.
trying to bring all those goldfish to justice.
Mm-hmm.
They call it like the toilet bowl killer because they all got flushed down the toilet. The serial toilet bowl
Man.
killer.
I might try to
Goldfish.
solve the murder mystery.
If it's your goldfish,
just to do it once, you know?
what's your goldfish's name? Goldie. Is it?
Nah. It
Or,
could- it
orangey.
could- Orangey. Yes, fishy. It's fishy. That's the name of the fish. It's fishy.
Okay.
Yep.
Well, let us know
Um,
your responses in the comments below. And if you have any questions
Yeah.
about anything, that's fine. Until next time.
Whiteboard Wednesday, out. Bye, everybody.
Wow.